If we all have our own set of 3 words, then how come some pieces are thought of as universal pieces? I will explain, and we will use a trench coat as our example. A trench coat in its most pure state, I would describe using words such as classic, French, British, neutral, polished, functional, 60s, chic, tailored. These are all fabulous words, and if you relate to any of these words, you can really use a trench coat to kind of lean into them. However, you can also use it for juxtaposition. So while a trench is classic and chic and polished and sophisticated, we do not have to use it in that way. We can actually use a trench in the wrong way to create some cool tension and juxtaposition in our looks. Meaning it's not about the piece, it's about how you style it, and here are some examples. Okay, so let's say you have a very casual look or a sporty look or even like an airport look. This trench is not sporty and it's not really casual, but when we add it to these looks, it adds that nice polished touch that makes this look feel interesting and cool and dynamic. You see what I mean? The look under is really casual, but if we want to add that classic, elevated, polished vibe, we use the properties of the trench or the words that the trench possesses to give the look those more sophisticated elements. That's why I really love a trench with an airport look, because you can wear anything underneath, but then you add the trench and the look feels kind of put together. Same with the more funky or playful look. I love that Leandra added the trench here. If she would have added like a colorful or wacky coat, the look would have went in a totally different direction. I feel like this trench makes the look feel more nuanced, and even though the trench is so classic, the addition of the trench here is actually quite unexpected. Do you see what I mean? In some cases, the most classic coat is actually an unexpected choice. Like everything, it's not really about the piece itself. It's more about how you style it. I also have a lot to say on the proportion of a trench coat, but let me know if you want a part 2 and we can discuss that.